All right. Next concept builder, the net force ranking tasks. I will tell you, the first time I did this, I got messed up. So it takes a little bit. You might have a piece of notebook paper out to help you. Okay. I'll launch that. Sorry. I'm going to go master level. 4 questions. Should be, if you can follow this, you should be able to follow the apprentice level. What I want you to notice on this screen, it's not just about the net force. Right now it says rank the orders of net force, 1 for the most negative, meaning to the left, and most positive to the right. Number of each order, net force, drag and drop. Okay, well, there you go. Left, negative, right, positive. So if I have a net force to the right, you'd say, hey, that's probably the biggest net force to the right. It's going to have the biggest acceleration, right? And the answer is not so fast, okay? It says rank the objects according to net force. So maybe the next one's about acceleration. So let's just try it for net force, and then we'll talk about acceleration next. Let's see, I've got 6 to the right. Oh, I want to do most negative. That's a net -2. That's a positive. Net -10. And then a net -8. So most negative. 1, 2. Come on, you can do it. 2. No, come on. You can do it. There we go. And here. Oh, come on, you can do it. There we go. Now, I'm going to go to the most positive. I've got, as far as net force, 8, 6, and 2. So this is the most net force. Oh gosh, 8, 6, and here. All right, so again, net force, most negative to most positive. I'm doing left as negative, right as positive. Let's check. Yes. Oh gosh, never been so nervous. Okay. Let's make sure. So we've got net force again. If they ever ask us about net acceleration, you have got to take the mass of the objects into account. And that might be wizard level. I'm not sure. So make sure to clarify net force, left, negative, right, positive. If it's acceleration, acceleration's in the direction net force, except for there's a mass component included in it. Okay, so I hope that helps, and we'll see how that goes.